पोलिसांचे लक्ष खंय कामार कमी आनी मोबायल आनी चॅटाचेर चड। पोलीस स्टाफाक आतां मोबायल वापरतना काय अटी घाल्यात। उत्तर गोंयचे एसपी चंदन चौधरी आनी दक्षिणेचो एसपी अरविंद गांवसान सर्क्युलर काढला। लोकांच्यो खंय खात्या कडेन कंप्लेनी पावल्यात। ह्या फुडें जर कोणूय पोलीस स्टाफ ड्युटेर आसतना आपल्या वैयक्तीक कामाक मोबायल वापरतना सापडत जाल्यार ती गैरवागणूक थारतली। ताका फायन मारतले म्हूण सर्क्युलरांत स्पश्ट केलां। तशेंच ऑफिशियल कामाक मोबायल वापरचो पडलो जाल्यार तांणी एक्टिव्ह स्पॉटावेल्यान कडेक वचून उलोवचें पडटलें।
It has come into our notice, and people from the civil society, they have also complained that many times the police deployed on the field, they are on the mobile phones, they are using it. So this circular is basically with an intention to alert them that in case they are having an official call, they should move away from their duty point and attend to the call and then come back to the duty point, because it gives a very bad reflection of the police staff that is deployed for duty. And if at all they have to attend their personal call also, they have to move aside from their place of duty and then take their calls, because once they are there for the duty and they are taking mobile calls, it distracts them from the duty, and secondly it also gives a very bad impression which should be avoided.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।